I am Marianne DiNapoli-Mylet. Who am I?
Yeah.
I am a community visual artist. I'm a wife, a mother, a grandmother. I'm an artist.
So many titles. So what's going on here today?
Today I am putting up a mural of the people that use this rec center. And I did portraits of them. So they'll be going up on the wall behind me. I tell people I actually get to do, as a kid, one of the things I'd love to do was to climb jungle gyms. And I always liked to paint. So as an adult, I get to do the two things that I really love. I get to climb a jungle gym and paint on a wall.
Which one do you want me to try first?
I've been painting murals for almost 40 years. So, and most of the time they have people in them, people that are representative of the neighborhood or the community. So I've gotten pretty used to doing it. You know, sometimes it's really funny. I was just saying to my husband the other day, some people, I knock them out like they're done. I paint them and they're done. And there's some people that I just fuss over because there's one little part of their mouth that's not right. So I am a little self-conscious about painting people. No, I'm trying to use only primary colors and layer them to create skin tones. But when you look at them, they actually work from far away. So I've been having fun playing with that. I just like playing with color. The process seems to work. I think that, you know, just color, if you know color, you can play with them and make them create the tones that you need. The kids were funny. Some of them, almost all of them gave me the peace sign, but the senior citizens were really excited. I mean, they posed. And I said to them, I'll come back next week and take your photo. So look your best, and somebody said to me, I always look my best. So yeah, they were great to work with. I'm anxious to go in and show them the portraits because they haven't seen them yet. No, they're all of my work is very personal. And so it is really hard to leave behind. But I love the fact that I leave these pieces in communities and they really appreciate them. So it's great to know that I can leave something behind that people cherish and have, you know, feel it's like their story on the wall.